Have you ever seen a supercar from the 1970s rolling through modern streets, looking like it came straight out of a classic science fiction movie? No touchscreens, no flashy technology, just engine noise, the smell of gasoline, and raw mechanical driving feel. Sounds like something that only exists in imagination, right? And then, one day, I found one. A Sterling that had almost been swallowed by time itself. Rust covering every inch of metal, layers of dirt piled everywhere. But the moment I saw it, I knew this was not an ordinary car. In the last episode, I completely tore the car apart and cleaned out hundreds of pounds of trash and mud from inside. But today, everything gets serious. I'm going to repair the rusted floor, cut away the rotten metal, and begin rebuilding the foundation of this car. Can the Sterling really return to the streets with 600 horsepower? Or is this project already beyond my abilities? After days buried in oil, metal dust, and rusted bolts, I finally separated the floor from the cabin. All of the rust damage underneath has been repaired, replaced with fresh metal, and coated in brand new paint. But this is only the beginning. The chassis still needs reinforcement before the project can truly move into the next stage. And now comes the big question. What engine deserves to push this Sterling to 600 horsepower? Leave your opinion below, because it will decide the future of this entire build.